Hey Malana babes, and welcome back to my channel. You already know we getting into today. By the title, I'm going to be transforming from a basic to baddie. So it's like a get ready with me thing. I'm doing the Don't Rush challenge with a bunch of other YouTubers like myself. So that's what I'll be preparing for today. And I'm about to get cute. Now, this is like after the whole challenge thing. This is like the day after. I forgot to record my intro. So here I am, and the challenge came out great. By the time this video is out, y'all probably already going to see the challenge. So go check that out on my Instagram right now at TORIALON with 3 A's at the end. And yeah, thank you for Malana babes for supporting me and stuff, for watching my videos, for liking, for commenting. And if you're not subscribed yet, if this is your first time watching my channel, hi, welcome. Please subscribe, because you're watching me, you know. And if you've been watching my channel for a while now, you still haven't subscribed, I think you should subscribe, because you're watching me and it's free. So if you're not subscribed at all, whether you've been here or not, please do subscribe. And for everybody watching this video right now, please give this video a thumbs up. But I'm not even going to keep talking to y'all, so let's get into this video. Okay, hey y'all, I know it's crazy right now, but don't mind that. I'm about to get in the shower. I just got finished eating. So I'm about to get in the shower, brush my teeth, do my skincare routine, and then I'm gonna see y'all when I finish doing all of that. Okay, so I just got out of the shower like 15 minutes ago because I was waiting for the mirrors to defrost, whatever. I defrost. I'm stupid. It was foggy in here, so I was waiting for it to clear out, whatever. Y'all know what I meant. But anyway, I'm about to brush my teeth and do my skincare routine. Since I'm going to be doing that challenge today, I'm going to put on a mask to make my face look good. I had a minimal breakout right here. I don't know if y'all can still see it. But my skincare has been working because it was way bigger than this. And it just cleared up. So that's what I'm about to do. But first, I take biotin supplements. That's what it look like. It tastes good though. Like for hair, nails, and skin. Just like cotton candy, y'all. I take that, and I'm gonna brush my teeth and wash my face. And I know y'all want to ask me why my bond is in a ponytail. It's because you're like, you know, when your bond gets older, it gets kind of like loose and it be falling off. So I decided to put a ponytail in it. But I'm not going to keep talking for long. I'm just about to brush my teeth and wash my face. So let's get into it.
Whipping the block and he don't come until the morning. I always pray to have a builder with a dorm. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on the drip to drip to fuck around and drown off this way. Wait, what did I take? Look at it. Wait, what did I take? Look at it. Wait, what did I take? Look at it. Wait, what did I take? Look at it.
Okay, I'm done brushing my teeth. Next, y'all know, it's skincare. My last video before this one was actually my updated skincare routine, how to get clear skin. So I'm gonna just speed this up as well. If y'all want a more in-depth skincare, watch my last video. And if y'all want to know what I use on my skin, all the information about this is in the video before my last video. It's a skin haul and unboxing, whatever. So let's get into it.
Fuck around and drown off this way. Wait, what did I take? Look at it. 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 I'm still the same bitch from the city of the potholes. She said, oh, I got those. I said, no, it's not those. I don't fuck with birds, but you bitches on my cock though. If I want some chicken and waffles, I go to Roscoe's. Cooler than the winter, but I heat up like the summer. Fucking with my baby, I'm a gunner. When I say baby, I ain't talking about stunner. I'm talking about Lil like Weezy wanna come up. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Too hot. Fuck around and drown off this wave. Wait, what did that take? What the day? 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 I'm still the same bitch from the city of the potholes. She said, oh, I got those. I said, no, it's not those. I don't fuck with birds, but you bitches with my cock though. If I want some chicken and waffles, I go to Roscoe's. Cooler than the winter, but I heat up like the summer. Fucking with my baby, I'm a gunner. When I say baby, I ain't talking about stun.
Okay, so I already know the drill. Wait 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. Come back and take it off. So I'll see y'all when it's time to take it off.
He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicky M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
Okay, so my face is like 75, 80% dry. Before, I'm doing this challenge, and before I take pictures, I found like if you put ice over your face, it gives your face like this glowy, dewy look. So that's what I'm about to do.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicky M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this is Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my. If you eating it, do it precisely. Cause I'm a millionaire, it's pricey. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely. Fill up, baby, fill on me. Pull up if you're feeling lonely.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
Okay, I'm done with teeth, face, whatever. So now I'm about to install my wig. I'm not going to be doing it on camera because it's a whole process, Sometimes it takes a long time for me to get it. But when I do get better with like installing my wigs, I will record the process. But for right now, I just rather work on it until I know that I have it. Like, it takes a while for me to tweak it to make it look acceptable. But I will be flat ironing my hair, so I'll record that. But I'm not going to record me, putting on a wig, because it's just too much. I need to get better first before I show y'all what I be doing. So I'll see y'all when I'm about to flat iron my hair. Okay, y'all, so I'm back. I installed it, and I put it under my scarf for like 10 minutes. So I don't have enough time to flat iron it, and this wig, like the ends, got dry. I need to wash it, condition it, and all that stuff. So it just wasn't going to be flat ironed, but I am going to do my curly hair routine on this wig so I can just have that curly look or whatever. So we're about to get into it. Y'all, it's gonna look crazy, but I mean, y'all, I really don't know how to put baby hairs on this wig, so that's just how it's gonna have to be. We already I have a video on this too, my curly hair routine, so I already have a video on my curly hair routine, so this is gonna be sped up as well. So let's start.
¿Qué pasa contigo? Dímelo. Ya no tiene excusa, hoy salió con su amiga, dice que pa' matar la tusa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, está dura y abusa, se cansó de ser buena, ahora es ella quien los usa, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, la mujer le ve sentimental, dice que por otro más no llora, no, que porque un hombre le pagó mal, porque un hombre le pagó mal.
Okay, so my hair is finished, and I tied down my scarf. Then I'm trying to think what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna slip my outfit on. I'm gonna do my lashes and stuff like that. So I'll see y'all when I have my, wait, no. Y'all, almost forgot. I'm doing a challenge. I have to do my bummy part first when you don't look so good. So I'm gonna just keep this outfit on, and I'm gonna just wrap my hair in the bonnet. Act like maybe put on this robe. I don't know. But after I do that first part of the challenge, then I'm gonna get all cute. So I'll see y'all when I got cute or whatever. Okay, so I just did the bummy part of my challenge or whatever. So now before I get dressed, I'm gonna put on some lashes. So I have these. These came with the wig I bought my mom some time ago from Eula Hair. They sent these lashes, and y'all know I don't really be wearing lashes like that, but this is a challenge, so go big or go home. And I'm already home, so I have to go big. So I have that, and I have my Kiss adhesive track glues to get up. These are the scissors I'm gonna cut with. So this takes me a long time, so this will probably be sped up because I can't do it. I struggle. These are pretty. Okay, lashes are on. Outfit next. Oh, let's see. Y'all know how they be doing that thing when you snap and it has the outfit on? Now let's see if I can do that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So I'm pretty happy for it, but if it didn't, then... But the dress, y'all gonna see, I'm gonna show y'all more of the dress, but it's from Fashion Nova. I just ripped the tag off. It's called America Graphic Mini Dress, small, because it's a graphic or whatever. So now I'm about to lotion up and put on some deodorant or whatever. Usually I use my Victoria Secret lotion, but I'm gonna be extra moisturized for this challenge today, so I use what I put on my face. Deodorant is this. Gel deodorant is the best. Let me see. Okay, that's lotion.
I just got $2 million for shit that I ain't even do yet. This bitch of money, but I ain't style with your boo yet. You got your feelings hurt, I ain't really mean to do that. I'm just a bad bitch, I'm sorry I put you through that. I'm from New York, but we don't never say good morning. Whipping the block and he don't come until the morning. I always pray to have a building with a dormant. Now I'm so busy, I gotta turn on this and drip too hard.
Whenever I put on an outfit, I always have to put on some type of perfume. So my hands are so long. So just some of that. Okay, so this is my outfit or whatever. It's a mini dress. Like I said, I got it from Fashion Nova in a size small. And this is my outfit. Like I said, the video is only way from here to here, so there was no point in shoes. So I'm just wearing some footies. But I really like this outfit. I like the you know, the whole graphic design. It is a graphic design mini dress from Fashion Nova. When it gets better outside, I'll probably do a Fashion Nova haul because I really love their clothes. I'm about to put on my lip gloss, earrings, and my necklace.
6 million ways to die. Choose one.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. He talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nicky M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That bean is candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a Fendi fact. I'm with 100 men.
Yo, my last video, my lip gloss dried in the side of my mouth and nobody told me. Still uploaded though, because I wasn't refilming. Oh. Pretty. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Y'all saw the outcome or whatever. I love this dress. The hair. Thank you from Alana Babes for supporting me and subscribing me and stuff. And if you're not subscribed yet, please do so. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. It's free. Come on now, help me out. Help a sister out. But thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for my next video. Bye.